Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone 12 Pro or any of the newer iPhone on the latest iOS 18 update, as this method has changed from the previous version. So if you're on an older iOS version, I'm going to leave a link for that method as well. So on the new iOS 18 update, first thing you're going to do is pull down the control menu from the top by swiping your finger. From here on, you're going to click on that plus icon on the left corner, and it's going to get into this edit mode. And from there on, we're going to tap on add a control. Once you do that, a menu will pop up. You'll look for screen recording here, or you can search it up as well. So we're going to tap on it to add that new control, and then tap anywhere to exit out of that mode. Now, when it comes to screen recording, you might want the mic on or off, depending on your preference. If you want the mic on, you're going to have to long press and hold the icon here until this menu pops up. Here you're going to select where you want the recording to be saved to. So I'm going to leave it as default for photos. And then right here is a mic setting. So I'm going to tap on it to turn on the mic. And now we can record with the mic on. I'm going to tap one more time to exit out of that menu. And then in order to start a recording, I simply tap on that. It's going to do a countdown. And once it is 0, we're going to see up top here, it's recording, it's red blinking, and I can record as I am speaking right now. In order to turn off the recording, simply tap on it and that red icon on the timer, and then you're going to click on stop. And as you can see here, the recording video has been saved to the Photos app on our iPhone, so you can find it in the Photos app. So that's how you go ahead and screen record on the iPhone 12 Pro or the newer iPhones on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.